Welcome to Gelcare's YouTube channel. My name is Emilie. I'm a French-Canadian nail artist, owner of Gelcare and of the Manoir nail salon in Montreal. In this video, I will show you how to create the ultimate tortoise effect nail art. To make the design as realistic as possible, my team and I developed a tortoise nail art kit that includes 3 key products. When used together as shown in this video, these products recreate the marble depth effect of your favorite tortoise shell item. Before you begin the design, prep your nails and apply base coat. If you have any questions about these steps, please check out our core technique how-to video. The first step is to create random spots on the nail bed using Jelly Brown. Jelly Brown is a translucent brown that we developed to create the dark tones of the design. To amplify the appearance of longer nails, it is best to create long spots that move in a direction from your cuticle to your nail edge. A Gelcare pro tip: you can play with the quantity of gel on your brush to create more texture. Gelcare artist Pascal will demonstrate here the subtlety of this technique. Keep in mind that you only need to create a few spots on each nail, and make sure the placement and shape of the spots are varied by nail. Don't worry too much. Trust me, this design is way easier than it seems. If you don't like the placement or shape of one of your spots, don't worry, you can easily remove it with a lint-free cotton pad and a little bit of alcohol. One of the pluses of working with gel instead of polish is that you can always redo your artwork up until you're satisfied with the result, without affecting the gel you previously cured. Once you're done creating your jelly brown spots, fix your artwork with a 30 seconds curing cycle under your LED lamp. The next step is to apply a coat of argan oil. Argan oil is a jelly yellow-orange that is used to create the lighter tones in the design. Like the jelly brown color, the Gelcare team developed this color specifically to create the ultimate tortoise nail artifact. We tested a range of samples to determine the right tint and coverage. The final color has the perfect ochre hue and jelly texture. Once you're done with your argan oil application, cure 30 seconds under your LED lamp. For the third step, tap out a few drops of the amber ink into an acrylic pad, as shown, or a piece of tinfoil will also work. Using a small clean brush, dip the tip of the brush into the ink. Lightly tap the ink-covered brush around the edges of the jelly brown spots to create a diffuse effect. In addition, add a little bit of amber ink between the spots to create more texture. Make sure you leave some parts of your nails only covered by argan oil to ensure your nail art doesn't go too dark. Because amber ink is an alcohol-based ink, you can always use regular alcohol to dilute and correct the ink placement if needed. Let the ink dry for 30 seconds and apply a second coat of argan oil. At Gelcare, we call these last steps the layering technique, a technique that is used often in our abstract nail art. The last coat of argan oil blends the colors and textures together to create a look that is both cohesive and rich in color depth. Once you're done with this last step of argan oil application, cure for a 30-second cycle under your LED lamp. On top of some of your jelly brown spots, add another layer of jelly brown to darken certain areas. Layer new jelly brown spots to perfect your tortoise and connect certain parts of jelly brown together. For the final touch, add a light line of jelly brown around the circumference of each nail to define their shape. Once this step is done, cure again for a 30-second cycle. We have reached the last step. I am going to explain and Pascal will demonstrate how to level your artwork using your top coat. Look at your nails, front and side, and notice the light that reflects on Pascal's nails. Even if she tried to work as thin as possible to create these textures, the layers of jelly brown spots has created bumps that we will now fix using top coat. First, apply a glossy coat of top coat and do not cure it under the LED lamp. To level the surface of your nails, with a very soft touch, drag a drip of gel into the shallow areas. The key to this technique is to allow the drip to do the work. Gravity should help the gel even out easily. For this technique, it is very important that you always work on one nail at a time. Make sure you cure each nail for a few seconds, one by one, as you go to help ensure that the extra gel doesn't move. Once you're done with your top coat application and leveling your gel on all of your nails, cure for a full 3 minutes to optimize the shine and the strength of your manicure. Voila! Now you have all Gelcare's team tips and tricks for a perfect tortoise nail art effect. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to Gelcare's YouTube channel. If you create your tortoise look using this tutorial, tag gelcare.official on Instagram so we can like your manicure and share it with our community. If you're looking to purchase our products, rendez-vous on lemanoir.com. À la prochaine!